Hey guys, it's Cube247 365, and today we are going to be unboxing the Mf3rs2 from Amazon, because sadly the Speedcube shop doesn't sell them and the Cubicle discontinued the product, so we're just going to get right into this. This package is actually really big, but it's only the one cube. Whoops. I'll deal with that later. Why don't we just get into the cube? Here we go. And here it is. So, I actually got this from the Cubelello Amazon site, and actually that's pretty bad. It already looks like it's opened, but let's just get into the cube. Okay, so I can already see there's kind of a stain right there, but we can just wipe that off. Okay, so out of the box, not the best first impressions because it has that stain there, which is really annoying. But the texture is really nice. It seems pretty tight. I think they actually set it up already, which is nice though. So let's get into first turn. Oh wow, okay. So out of the box, this is really tight. I think I'm gonna loosen this. And the reason I got this cube is because I got a magnet kit, and I am going to magnetize this. I got the light because I don't think you need very strong magnets for this. Man, it's a real bummer that they have that stain right there. But I will definitely loosen this cube. And yeah, so I have magnetized this Air S. If you watch Luca's early videos, you'll see that he had this cube, and I magnetized it, and now it's really nice. So let me just go get a screwdriver and I'll loosen this up. Okay, so I found my screwdriver. It took actually pretty long, but let's just loosen this up. Wow, so the center caps actually look really weird. I've never seen these, but the spring looks normal. The design, at least. So this cube came out like a long time ago, actually. And when you magnetize it, it was really nice. So, I don't know. Let me just loosen these. Well, I don't know if you can hear that, but since it's right there, you can, like, out of the box, you can hear the sound. I don't know if the camera got that or not, but sorry if you hear a piano in the background, but that's just my dad. Okay. Oh, that's a lot better. Okay, so loosen this cube if it's too tight out of the box, definitely. And I'm just gonna put this away. Actually, I'll keep it here for now. But it does come with a manual. And yeah. So I think that this cube's really nice. And let me just put these back. Like I said, I will be magnetizing it, but I'm not sure whether I'll be making a video of that, because I'm sure there's already plenty videos out there of that. But now that it's loosened, It's a lot better. I might need to loosen it even some more. But it's very sandy and dry. Yeah, that's so annoying that there's a stain right there. I don't know if it's picking it up. But the stain right there, if you can see it. So I'll try to get that off, but it's a really good cube. I think it'll definitely need magnets, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like if you enjoyed and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.